Hi, it's Group Sableye. Our topic is Career Planning Expert System. To start with, career planning and choosing which university to go involve important decisions that students must make at a young age. Based on our own experience, we decided to create an expert system that helps the student who want to choose a career path and university to go. Secondly, I will explain our program. This diagram shows workflow of our program, which includes two main parts. First one is a Python script that handles graphical user interface. Second one is the prolog file that contains knowledge engine. In Python file, we have foreign functions, which creates prolog queries to communicate with a knowledge engine. These functions write information to buffer, and graphical user interface get information from the buffer and shows the user. Then I will explain our knowledge base. To create knowledge base, we used Yok Atlas website for university information. We get universities names and the cities and the scores by using this dataset. Then Ezgi will explain us how our knowledge base works.
My name is Ezgi, and I'm gonna talk about our knowledge base. We have subject. We use this after getting information from the user to decide which subject is more suitable for the user. And we have degree, and it's similar with the subject. After choose the subject, we use this to give specific career advices to the user. We give university advice too. In this part of our knowledge base, we store information about universities. We use questions to print our questions to screen. We use answer to print choices to our questions, and we use parse to get user's choice. And at this part, we print questions and we print choice for that questions, and we get users information and store them to decide suitable career for them.
Let's continue with graphical user interface. We use TakeInter Python library for graphical interface design. It's built-in Python library. It's very easy to implement, so we choose TakeInter. We also use PySweep for communication between prolog file and Python file. There are pictures of our graphical user interface. As you can see, in the middle there's a question, and at the bottom there are answers. A user can click buttons and answer the question, and the program will show another question. After all questions finished, program shows a recommendation. This recommendation includes university names, department name, why user should choose this department, and the career opportunities for this department. So this is the expert system that we created. Next, I will show you a little demonstration of our program. This is our program. As you can see, there is two files. This one is prolog file, knowledge engine, and the Python script. So I run the Python script here. Unfortunately, buttons are not working, so I'm gonna give input from console. I enter 0 for the first one and the 1 for the second answer. I'm gonna give all zeros. And after answering all the question, we need to enter a city name. I will enter Ankara. And the score, I will enter 400. And these are the recommendation. As you can see, there is universities and the career opportunities. Let's try with another input. For this one, I will enter all ones. As you can see, there is different question. For this input, it recommended gap year because our answers are not very good. So this was the little demonstration of our program.